Very good evening. Leading our news tonight, the shipping and freight agency Pratt Pacific has closed its business after nearly 40 years in the shipping and freight industry. Dawn and Gay Pratt started this business in 1980 and in partnership with local business Ali's Enterprise has serviced Niue for more than 3 decades. Today, the owners of Ali's Enterprise, Des and Chris Hipa, introduced the new shipping and freight company Atlas International to the Niue importers community. The new company is owned by Daryl Crook and Martin Brown. Following the Christchurch attack last week, the New Zealand High Commission in Niue has opened a condolence book for the public. The condolence book is available in the reception area of the High Commission throughout this week. Thousands have gathered at vigils in Christchurch, Queenstown and in other cities across New Zealand to pay tribute to the victims of Friday's attack at 2 Christchurch mosques which have claimed 50 lives. An unexpected power outage occurred on Sunday caused by a fault at the water pump transformer at Omea Tuapa. After trying to locate the fault, the team at the Niue Power Corp began works on each individual transformers between Namoi to Matalave, including Omea water pump transformer. Later on Sunday afternoon, the team discovered the actual fault was from the water pump transformer at Omea Tuapa. The team decided to isolate that transformer to reconnect all transformers to allow the power to the rest of the north villages. Power supply was restored to the rest of the villages right up to Liku. However, Tuapa was left without water for the rest of the night. The domestic pig spraying program gets underway this month. The domestic pig and pig pan spraying program for prevention and control of internal and external parasites and as precautionary measure for further disbursement of other animal diseases in pigs started its implementation by the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries in 2018. Due to random animal health visits and inspections of pig pens in Niue in 2018, it was identified for some parts of the island, particularly northeastern parts, that some pens were infested with the external parasite known as ticks. The department is looking at conducting a 3 to 4 monthly time frame to roll out this domestic pig spraying program and to cover all pig farms. The spraying program will begin from the village of Makefu and will be carried out through the northern side of the island. A hive of activities are expected to get underway during the Easter weekend as part of the Taonga Niue Arts and Culture Festival. The festival officially opens on Easter Friday, April 19th, kicking off 7 days of traditional and contemporary arts and culture events. Well-recognized and exclusive artists are also expected to participate in the festival. This year marks the festival's 10th year anniversary. The Taonga Niue Arts and Culture Festival closes on Thursday, April 25th. Over $40,000 was raised in the Aho Mea gathering over the weekend. The gathering was held at the main Ekalesia Niuean Church on Saturday. Church members came together to worship through singing of hymns. Donations were also given from each village Ekalesia to financially assist the church and the ministers. And that's BCN News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.